guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have magic at your door for November. Do you want to know what's in my box and what magic was just delivered to my door? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I just received November's Magic at Your Door box. I do buy the gold box, which is the highest level. So this is going to be the gold box. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in here. I'm always excited when this box comes. So let's get into it. Ooh. Alrighty then. It looks like nice and festive. Now I know that they had said that they were going to put in some Christmas ornaments in this box. If so, I don't know if it's going to go to everybody or if you just answered the thing on the Facebook to say that you wanted them. And I do appreciate that them putting it in this box and not next month, because like today is the very last day of the month. So if I get my box like this next month, it's going to be after Christmas. So I like that if they are putting in Christmas themed products, it's going to be in this box. So that being said, here is the paper that's right on top. Let me move all this stuff. Okay, so now that I've removed the items, what was down inside of the box was these two things right here. This does feel hefty, so I know there's things inside. And they always say check every nook and cranny when you get something, especially like this, because they do put things inside. So let's go ahead and start with this first. This is on my wish list, so now I'll go in my account and remove it from my wish list. But that is awesome. I think where I am now displaying my backpacks, I can fit maybe 2 more, and then I'll have to think of what else to do. Maybe I'll start hanging them from the shelf. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna put that up there and I'll show you what it looks like now. So that is how I am storing my backpacks. I didn't know what else to do, but that's what I did, because there's nothing else that could fit over that long, oversized patio door that we have anyways. So let's go ahead and check this out. I love this with all of the different characters on there and the different squares. Super, super cute. And it does have like this baby pink. There is another one that has teal green, wherever this has like pink, and it has different characters. I have both of those on my wish list, so I'm hoping I can get the other one too, because then it can sit next to this one. But this is super cute. There's a side pocket here. There's a front pocket, another side pocket here. There's the back. This is valued at $75. Inside this is just the hard thing that's in all of them to hold the shape. There's never really items in here, but there's definitely items inside of here. And more of that. Ta-da! Surprise! More of a mess. Okay, so now that I've removed everything from the inside, this is what the inside pattern looks like. There's not like a pocket or anything. It's just all opened on the inside. Super, super cute. So there's the backpack, again, valued at $75. So then there is this that was in the backpack. It is a Jack face mask. It's a Disney face mask. I actually have 2 different ones that I purchased from Disney.com, and it was a Sally print and a Jack print, and I used the Sally and I gave my man the Jack print. But here is a face mask. Next we have is some ears, and these are definitely festive for the holidays. It's like Mickey and Minnie. That is super, super cute. It's like gingerbread. Those are adorable. And the ears, this doesn't say, Disney ears, ear headbands. They value for $29.99, but that is actually really, really cute. I can wear this at Christmas. Let me cut the tag off of it. There we go. Oh, I hate these tags. Like, why do they have to put, I can get you need a tag, but why do you have to put so many? It's like on every single one. There's like 4 big old tags you have to like maneuver around. So I fold it underneath. There we go. So there is the Minnie and Mickey like gingerbread ears. That's super, super cute for the holidays. And then there is something down in here. I'm hoping there's an ornament, but we'll see. I said if they have a Nightmare Before Christmas ornament, I'll be game, but anything else I did not want. And here's Jack, because my whole tree, if you guys didn't already know, is Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't have this ornament that is super, super cute, and it's valued at $16.95. It's a sketchbook ornament collection. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it actually has 2017 Disney on this little like silver tag. So it's a 2017 edition. I don't care what year it is because it's going on my tree with all my others, and that is super cute. So the bottom has the Disney and he's coming out of a chimney. Chim chim chiroo. That is amazing. I love it. So yes, so they did put on their Facebook that if anybody wanted any Christmas ornaments in this box, and I didn't see any Nightmare Before Christmas, so I commented, I'll take anything that's Nightmare Before Christmas. So thank you, because now I can add that to my tree, and it's something that I don't already have. So I really, really enjoy that. So then the next item is this book right here. It's Winnie the Pooh, and it looks like it might be a journal. Yes, it is a journal book, and that is super, super cute. There's not a price or anything. Oh, yes, right there. $14.99. They're on the actual pages as well through the whole entire book. How cute. And that's a good size book too. And again, that is valued at $14.99. So that's everything that was in the backpack. Now you have this, which should be the pin for the month. Sometimes there's extra things in here as well, like there is. So there's tons of this. So I do have a pin down here, and I am collecting Disney pins as well. And this is Goofy, which is adorable. And it looks like he's all wrapped up in Christmas wrapping paper. That is super, super cute. Now this is silver. And so silver code Parks price is $9.99. So this is $9.99, but that is super cute. Now the pin for this month, if you're a gold member, you always get the gold pin. If you're not a gold member, you can always put it on your wish list, or you can purchase them through their store if you would like them. But I'm glad I'm a gold member because it's included in my gold membership. And this is super cute. So it's Chip and Dale, and they're on like springs. I've never seen them on springs, you guys. Look at how cute. So there's the pin, and there's Chip and Dale, and it's on an acorn. That is so cute. Now I know that they did say they were having a little bit of like artistic blockage when they were designing, and they said if anybody does, if they pick whoever's design, they were going to like win something. And I do remember, I think I remember somebody posting something that looked like that. So if they did win that, congratulations to whoever did, unless Magic at Your Door ended up doing it themselves. But that's really neat that they asked, you know, for help and advice. So there's the pin. So for my gold box this month, you guys, I got my gingerbread Minnie and Mickey ears. We have the gold pin. We have a Goofy Disney pin as well. I have a really, really cute ornament. We have a Jack face mask, Winnie the Pooh journal book, which is super cute and it's big. And then you have a $75 mini backpack. So that is everything that came in my November box, you guys. I'm so excited. I absolutely love, love, love this box. So now I get to go in my account, take that off my wish list, see what else new that they've added, and change up my wish list for moving forward. So I love this company, you guys, and I love their profile, and I love their wish list, and I just love their customer service and everything about them. So yes, if you want to know a little bit more about Magic at Your Door, again, I do the gold membership. The gold membership is $124.99. Shipping is in addition. The silver box is $99.99. Shipping is in addition. And I'm not sure if they're still offering the bronze, but if they are, or if they bring it back, that one was $74.99. They also have different mystery boxes on their site as well that you can purchase, like a one-time box if you would like. It does say Magic at Your Door Christmas gift option. So if you guys wanted to just give a one-time box, they do have just the mystery boxes where it can be anything Disney, or they have the Disney Villains, Haunted Mansion, Nightmare Before Christmas or Stitch themed boxes you can purchase as a one-time box, no commitment. So you can definitely check them out. I will link them all down below. If you do purchase the bigger mystery boxes or like the gold box, silver box, if you follow the link down below and use the code, it'll take $10 off your first box. So definitely utilize that if you are going to order to help save some money. Anything helps, especially right now. So it also says order directly from our new shop. Check out JALUGO.com for magical Disney merchandise and pre-order upcoming product releases. Use promo code NOV20 for $20 off and free shipping on any order over $200 through December 5th. So if you want to check that out, it does show they have right here, they have some things right there, and that is the website, right? Where is it? Right there. There is the website right there. So if you guys wanted to check them out, again, you can follow the link down below, but then you can use promo code OTB20 for $20 off a customized one-time Disney Magic box or one-time Disney Magical AF box. So then instead of the $10 off coupon like I normally tell you guys, use the OTB20 for $20 off. That's amazing. So there you go, you guys. That is everything that I have to show you about my November Magic at Your Door box. These are so freaking cute. Definitely comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of the items that I received in this box? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.